The amount of learning that happens in this course is is unparalleled.
The opportunity to really do the lab and learn from experts in the field all in one place, kind of an intensive experience.
Get to see the experts do it, hear about how they do it, and then we get to do it ourselves.
The course was great. The faculty is amazing. And this lab is wonderful.
Oh, it's state of the art.
This course is amazing because we have an amazing list of faculty. I learn something every year from the faculty, and more importantly, we get to teach all of these young surgeons who are residents and fellows who are just absolute sponges for new knowledge.
All the cumulative experiences of all the faculty are very impressive.
Learning from masters in the field and being able to practically apply it in the lab is invaluable.
The course I've been a part of for I think about 8 years now, and it's I think one of the best educational experiences for residents and fellows.
And I think this course is particularly well organized in its content. It covers the entire spine, head to toe.
Obviously, this foundation is really well known for putting on and hosting great educational courses. So as soon as I found out there was one that I was able to attend, I jumped right on it.
Oh, SSF is beautiful. This lab is incredible. There's so much space. The equipment is so brand new. The videos are awesome. There's screens everywhere. You can talk and everyone can hear you. You can demonstrate and everyone can see.
Great faculty, great students, great staff, great everything. It really is. It's the best lab course and teaching program in the country.